Hello everyone, welcome back to Everyday Kelly. My name is Kelly. So today I have a pair of boots to show you from the brand called Girotti or Girotti. I'm not really sure how you pronounce it, but they are an Italian company. And I ordered a pair of riding boots from them back in January. And so I ordered, I was looking for a pair of riding boots to kind of like not replace what I already have, but just to kind of add to it because my old ones really have been around the block a time or two. And I was looking for something a little bit more dressy looking and a little more sleek in a darker leather color than the other ones that I already have. And when I saw these Girotti boots, I thought they really kind of fit the bill to what I wanted. Although it is a very big kind of risk you're taking when you're ordering something from another country, from a brand that you're not familiar with. So that's why I'm doing this video as well, just so if anyone is interested to purchase from them, you can, because when I was wanting to order from them, I was looking for some videos just to kind of see what other people were saying, and I couldn't find anything. So I first purchased them back in January, and I ordered a size 6, which is a 36 European, and the standard calf, because I've never needed a wide calf boot. When they came, they were far too small. Didn't even have a hope in getting them zipped up. So I was hoping to be able to get a refund, but it looks like I read the refund policy a little wrong. And the only way that you can get a full refund is if there is some sort of defect with the boots. But what they do offer is a free remake. Because of the fact that they make the boots when you order them, because there's different customizations you can do to them, they do offer a free remake. So that is what they did for me. So when I reordered them, I did reorder them in the wide calf. So let's have a look at them. So this is the box. And so here is the boot. So I got the riding boot in this really dark kind of chocolate brown leather with these nice straps at the top, buckles really. And it has just like your standard heel height. So this is one of the customizations that you can get, is you can do like a higher heel if you want, and you can do some variations with the buckles here. So this boot is really what I was looking for. It's got just that sleekness that I was looking for, not really embellished very much other than these buckles up here. So that's what I was really loving about these. The darker brown color is really good for being able to kind of dress them up a little bit. Now, the quality is really good. The leather is very soft. You can tell that it's really nice, like Italian craftsmanship. The bottom of the boot has this really nice stamping on it that says the name of the company and the size and everything, and it's really nice. However, they still do not fit me. My husband was able to help me a little bit, and he did get them fully zipped up, but they were far too tight that you would not be able to comfortably wear these. So what I'm hoping to do is to be able to find a good shoe repair place that might be able to help me get them stretched a little bit. So that's what they look like. And I have to say, like, I don't really have really big calves. I don't have narrow, skinny calves, but I've never needed to buy a wide width riding boot before. So it's a little bit disappointing because of the fact that the quality is really good, and I definitely would wear these. It's just, they don't fit. So that's something to be aware of. If you're planning on purchasing from the company, just know that unless you have a very skinny or narrow calf, these boots probably will not fit you. But if you're looking to buy something else from them, because they do make a lot of shoes, men's shoes, ladies' shoes, that sort of thing, then you probably won't have an issue with it. But that's really all I have to say about it. Like I said, the quality is really good. It's just the sizing for the calf is just a big disappointment. So unfortunately, I can't show you what they look like on, but like I said, I'm hoping to be able to find somebody who will help me stretch them. I know that there's a lot of people online who do their own boot stretching. I just don't know if I feel confident with that. I did spend quite a lot of money on these. I think they were over $300 Canadian. I can't really remember, but they were a little bit up there in price, but I feel like with the quality, the price is worth it if they just fit. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more videos that are similar to this, don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you very soon in another video.